Good evening, all. Hi there. Hi. Um, Welcome today in the daily newspaper. Yes, it's Saturday, March the 4th, 2023. We have here a puzzle page with six extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only four of them I will solve. I will solve. Well, we have here the Two Stars Sudoku. Well, it seems this one is not the 2 stars but a 4 stars because this one has 24 printed digits. Then we have a 4 stars Sudoku. Well, this one has 25 printed digits, so it should be a 3 stars. Then we have a killer Sudoku, two binaries, binary with 3 stars, binary with 2 stars, 10 by 10, and the last one is a tectonic, yes. And tomorrow I will do 4 puzzles in the additional and also the samurai Sudoku. But first, let me solve this 2 star Sudoku. Well, told you it's not really a 2 stars. Should be a 4 stars Sudoku. Alright. And this one will be a number 6061. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, told you 24 printed digits. Should be a 4 stars Sudoku. And for 4 stars Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. This is really a 4 stars. We don't know. It's indicated with 2 stars. We will see if this is really a 2 stars. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle we have here. 4 ones. Alright. 1, 2 twos, 2 threes, 2 fours. No fives. 3, 4 sixes. 3 sevens, 3 eights, and 3 nines. So the ones and the sixes are in majority. Questions: can I start with a 1? Yes, 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We have a 1 in the last row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in the third column, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 1 in this row. 1 in the last row, so the row between. The only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1 in the last column, no 1 there. Here 1 in the column next, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. 1, 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. How about the 6 then? 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. 6, 6, 6. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in the first row, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Alright. 1, 1, okay. 1, 1. Cannot continue with 1 now. How about the number, let me see. 9 in this column, third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second row, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. 7. Yeah. 7. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sevens. Overlooked. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7, 7, 7. 7. 7, 7, 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Alright. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 4 and 8. We have 4 and 8 in this row, so no 4 and 8 in these 3 boxes. The 4 and 8 goes in these 2 boxes. Those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8 in this big square. Yeah, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between, middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. So what are these missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, 5 is missing, 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9. Let me mark those. 3, 5, 9. Okay, 3, 5, 9. That means 1 digit left in this row for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. Alright. 3, 5, 8. 8 in this row. 8 in the last row. So the row between. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8. Yeah. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8. Okay. 8. 8, 8. Cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. How about the 1 then? Nope. Still cannot fill the ones. Yeah. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 4, 4, okay. Yeah. 1, 1. 7, the 8. 1, 7, 8, and a 2. Need a 2. Alright. Okay. 3, 5, 4. 3, 5, 4. 3 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Look, we have a 3 and a 5 in the last row, so no 3 and a 5 in this box. 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. So 1 digit left should be the 4. Alright, 4. Yeah, 4. 4 in this column. 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row. 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column. 4 in the last column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see how 4 in the first row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Alright. Okay. 9, 5. 952. Alright. Well, 259. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers in this row are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 259, 259, 259, 259, and look, we have 5 and a 9 in this column, so no 5 and 9 in this box. 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. So 1 digit left in this big 1 digit left in this row for number 2, of course. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be here. 359, 359, 359, 359, and look, with a 3 and a 5 in the middle column, so no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. So 1 digit left should be the 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. 1 box left in the first column for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7. 1 and 1. Yeah. We have a pair. The 1 and the 7 in this column, the 1 and the 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 1 and the 7 goes in these 3 boxes. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. And look, we have 1 and the 7 in the second row. So no 1 and 7 in this box. The 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 1 and 7, 1 and the 7. So now we have 2 missing numbers here. The 3 and a 5. I believe, yeah, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Okay, cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 2 missing numbers, I believe the 3 and a 5 in the last column, yeah. The 1 and 2, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Alright. 3. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay. Then, let me see. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Well, 2. 3 is also missing. 2, 3, 5. Yeah, 2, 3, 5. 5, 5, 5, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the first row, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 and a 9, we have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 to 9, we have a 9 now in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and 8, we have a 2 now in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. One box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2. The 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 7. We have a 7 now in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. One box left now in the first row for number the 1. The 2, the 3 is missing. And the final two numbers in this big square for numbers the 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. No. We have here 3 and a 5. Well, we have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 now in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2, 2, 2. Yes, completed in 60 minutes. Wow. Yeah. It's definitely a 2 stars. Yeah, for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah. So, yeah, definitely a 2 stars. Not a 4 stars. Well. Anyway, I hope Monday we will have no extra puzzles or additional. Then I can complete this puzzle page. Anyway, I like this one. And I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. The Killer Sudoku, the Tectonic, and the Binary. Until then, bye bye for now.